If you want to be a startup founder, you should know that it is totally possible to sell your company for millions and then actually make nothing yourself unless you do this one thing. And most startup founders that I know raise millions without ever knowing about any of this, so I'm going to explain it to you. So what I'm talking about is called a liquidation preference. A liquidation preference is outlined in the documents that you sign with your investors as the startup founder. And a liquidation preference decides who gets paid first when you sell your company. If you have a 1x liquidation preference, your investor gets back 1x of what they gave you as the investment, but there can also be a 2x and 3x liquidation preference, in which case they will get back twice as much as they gave you or 3 times as much as they gave you. So you have to return that money when you sell your company. When I raised a $5 million round, I really had to consider the liquidation preferences when it came to my priced round. And at that point, I realized that these rules really exist to protect investors because obviously they are taking such a big bet on you, giving you millions for such an early stage idea. So it's fair in theory, but if you don't understand it when you're fundraising millions, it could cost you your entire payout. Unless you get a management carve out, which I'm going to explain in my next video. So follow me for part 3 of my fundraising hacks that you should know.